welcome back. What? It's not back? It's the first time? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find bike path all over the world. You know, in Google Maps. It's cool because when I go to a new city that I don't know, where should I ride? What's the best places to go around, I always go to Google Map and find the best route. Let me show you. First, let me put my glasses on. Yes, for short distance, I do need them. I'm gonna start recording so you can see it. And what I usually do is I leave a shortcut here, right in the main page. So you open Google Map and let me show you. Over here, right here, see this little thing here? This is so cool. When you click it, opens all these choices. And there's a choice that I like it very much called bicycling. Bicycling. So you just click here and voila. All the green ones, see, all this green part, they are bike paths. In Rio de Janeiro, we don't have many bike paths. We have a bike path all around Rio by the coast. It's beautiful, have beautiful places, but we don't have much inside. Can you see it? And so cool. I just received a message today saying that they're gonna make it better. And they're asking us, the cyclists, to help to tell them what they need, to do. That's good. So let me show you. Okay, that's Rio de Janeiro, right? So let's go to, I'm going down. Let's go to New York. Yeah, I just came from there. And then I remember that you guys don't know much about it. And here it is. See how many green parts? All the green, little green lines are bike paths. If they're not bike paths, they're bike lines, bike something. And when they are like this, like dotted, they're like bike lines, Let me show you. Let's choose another city. Let's choose London. Let me get here. London's coming. Let's see if I can ride my bicycle in London. I sure can. Yes. Lots and lots of bike paths. And let me see now. Let's go to Australia. I know. Just that I've been there. I stayed there for 5 months and riding my bicycle. It was so cool. Look, Sydney. There's a lot of places to go to Sydney. So let's go to one place that we all know there's a lots and lots of bike paths. It's gas. Yes, Netherlands. Let's go to Amsterdam. And it's amazing. It's almost all green. Can you see it? It's so fantastic. It's like everything's a bike path. All the roads are bike path. Let's go to Antwerp. See? So I hope Rio de Janeiro gets like this. And oh, by the way, if you want to see other, you can see bike path, you can see the traffic. Like, I want to see if there's a lot of traffic in Antwerp. Yes. It's a bit traffic jam. Let's see. There's another thing that you can see that's very interesting. That's public transport. Let me show you back to New York that I know that it's a great public transport. Let's go to New York, and you're gonna see it. It's so cool. Check it out. Here you go. You see all the metro lines, see? And if you press the bicycle, then you get both. You get the public traffic line, you get the subways and the bike path. So you can choose whatever route you want to go. Hope you like it. I use it a lot. Every time I go somewhere, I check it before, you know, if you're gonna travel, or I use Google Maps a lot. Yes, for traveling, I use it a lot. I write down the places that I want to go. I write down places that I've been, you know. It's a must. So I hope you like it. And there will be some very nice videos. This weekend, I'm going to show a video that I rode over here, went down, crossed Brooklyn Bridge, and went all the way back to Queens. It's a nice ride. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.